Right now we're looking at a pretty cool 1969 Chevy C10. This particular truck was brought in with the Holley Sniper fuel injection unit on it. It has a pretty cool 468 cubic inch motor. It has a traditional vacuum advance distributor in it. The customer was complaining vacuum advance wasn't really working to his satisfaction. He decided that he wanted to get a Holley Sniper distributor which he could control the advancement of through the controller for the Sniper unit itself. Went ahead and set the advance up on the handheld controller to get the vehicle to perform the way it should when he wants it to, coming off idle. Not a lot of shops are willing to do these types of high performance upgrades. If you have something like this, or you maybe want to start a project like this, you're not really sure where to start, we'd be happy to talk to you and maybe walk you through some of the processes that need to happen in order to get your expectations met for your particular project. This is Dan with 3D Auto Repair. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to it, hit the like button, and ring that bell. We really look forward to reading your comments.